They say a bed is only a place to sleep, but in truth it carries a far deeper spiritual weight, and if our eyes could see into the unseen realm, we would tremble at how carelessly we have treated a place God designed as sacred. The bed is not just where the body rests, it's where the soul exhales, where the spirit becomes open, where dreams are deposited, and where God can whisper, which is exactly why the enemy fights so hard to corrupt it, because he understands the power of a resting place, and knows that what is allowed on your bed can either welcome the Holy Spirit or open a doorway to darkness. The scriptures speak repeatedly about rest, reminding us in Psalms that God gives his beloved sleep, not ordinary sleep, but divine rest that heals, restores, and reveals visions in the quiet of the night. For when everything grows still, your spirit becomes most sensitive, and the atmosphere surrounding your bed matters more than you realize. You don't simply lie down physically, you lie down spiritually. And if your atmosphere is polluted, then your rest, your strength, and even your clarity are affected. Many unknowingly open doors to sickness, confusion, and lack by turning their beds into piles of clothes, storage spaces, or holders of random items, not realizing they are dishonoring a place meant for impartation. I remember the Holy Spirit whispering, "You cannot expect divine peace while resting in disorder." And that disorder isn't only in the mind, it's spiritual pollution caused by clutter, misplaced items, and the residue of the world that clings to your surroundings. And some of you wonder why, even after a full night's sleep, you wake up tired, disturbed, burdened, or dreaming of snakes. Perhaps the enemy has gained legal access through what you've allowed on your bed. Because when you treat your resting place casually, you are signaling to the spirit world that this space is not holy or set apart. And the moment you reduce what God intended to be sacred into something common, you strip it of its spiritual power.